16 powerful reasons why you need to drink clove tea every day. Today, we're diving into the amazing world of cloves and discovering how this spice is not just an addition to our dishes, but a true source of health benefits. From aiding in diabetes control to treating skin problems, cloves prove to be a powerful ally on various fronts. Join us on this incredible journey and discover: can clove tea improve your sexual performance? How can a simple spice transform your digestive health and speed up weight loss? In what ways do cloves strengthen your immune system and protect your heart? Are there natural solutions for common issues like toothaches and stress? And how do cloves fit into this? Prepare to be amazed by the wonders of clove tea and how incorporating it into your routine can bring incredible benefits to your health. And in the end, I will teach you an amazing clove tea recipe. Let's get started. 16. Boosts your digestion and accelerates weight loss. Cloves, known for being a spice full of flavor, play a significant role beyond just adding taste to dishes. They reveal themselves as a powerful ally in improving digestion, as well as aiding in weight loss. By drinking clove tea, one can experience an ease in food digestion, thanks to the stimulation in saliva production and increased blood flow in the digestive system. This not only aids in effective digestion, but also in relieving discomforts like pain and stomach acidity, which are often the result of indigestion or flatulence. The analgesic properties of cloves offer significant relief in these cases, while their antiemetic capabilities are effective against nausea. Additionally, cloves contribute to weight loss not only by optimizing digestion, but also by elevating the metabolic rate, making them a valuable element for those seeking natural ways to manage their weight and improve digestive health. 15. Fortified immune system. Clove tea is a powerful ally for strengthening the immune system, thanks to its high concentration of antioxidants like eugenol, vitamins, and minerals. These components combat free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and protecting cells against damage. Furthermore, its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties help fight infections and inflammations, promoting a more effective immune response. Including clove tea in the daily diet can therefore be an efficient strategy for improving the body's defense against diseases and infections, nourishing the body with the necessary nutrients to maintain a robust and healthy immune system. 14. Reduce stress and anxiety. Clove tea is notable for its potential in promoting relaxation and alleviating stress and anxiety. Its distinctive aroma and calming properties can positively affect the nervous system, reducing stress levels and promoting a sense of calm. The intake of clove tea can help relax the body and mind, improving sleep quality and fighting insomnia. Additionally, the anxiolytic properties of eugenol help alleviate anxiety, making clove tea an excellent choice for those seeking natural ways to find emotional balance and well-being. 13. Eliminate dental issues. Cloves are widely recognized for their analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties, making them a highly effective remedy for relieving tooth and gum pain. Its active component, eugenol, functions as a natural anesthetic, capable of numbing pain and reducing inflammation, offering significant relief. Besides the use of clove tea for gargles, the topical application of clove oil to the painful area can provide immediate relief. Cloves also stand out in combating bad breath thanks to their antibacterial properties that eliminate odor-causing bacteria. For those seeking a brighter smile, a mixture of clove powder with baking soda can be used as a natural tooth whitener, showing the versatility of cloves as a solution for various dental problems, quickly and naturally. 12. Aids in reducing fever. Clove tea is highlighted as a remarkable natural remedy, not just for its antipyretic properties that contribute to fever reduction, but also for its nutritional value, being rich in magnesium, vitamins E and K. Moreover, its anti-inflammatory potential is recognized for preventing bacterial infections, thus strengthening immunity and promoting a robust body resistance against diseases. The suggestion to opt for clove tea instead of conventional medications to combat fever highlights a preference for more natural and nutritious solutions, encouraging regular consumption of this tea to maintain health and well-being. This holistic approach not only addresses fever management, but also emphasizes the importance of nourishing the body in a comprehensive manner. 11. Treat sinusitis with the power of nature. For those struggling against nasal congestion and sinus infections, there's a natural remedy that can bring significant relief: clove tea. This tea is not just a simple comfort, it carries potent properties that act directly on the uncomfortable symptoms associated with these conditions. The active ingredient, eugenol, acts as a robust expectorant, aiding in the elimination of mucus and clearing the airways, thus allowing for easier and more comfortable breathing. Besides its expectorant capabilities, cloves are endowed with antioxidants and antibacterial qualities that surpass many vegetables and fruits in preventing infections, offering an effective natural alternative for improving respiratory health. Starting the day with a hot cup of clove tea can be the key to immediate relief from sinus symptoms, providing not just comfort, but also a general improvement in the quality of life for those affected by these conditions. 10. Helps in diabetes control. Cloves stand out as a natural resource effective for those facing challenges related to diabetes and prediabetes. This spice not only aids in regulating blood sugar levels due to the presence of polyphenolic compounds, but also promotes healthy digestion and can contribute to weight loss, essential aspects for managing these conditions. Research indicates that the consumption of polyphenolic extract from cloves by healthy volunteers resulted in a noticeable decrease in blood glucose levels, reinforcing its effectiveness as a dietary supplement. Therefore, incorporating cloves into the daily diet emerges as a preventive and natural strategy in the treatment of diabetes, highlighting its therapeutic value and potential health benefits to metabolic health. 9. Eliminate intestinal worms. Clove tea is highlighted for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, being a valuable ally in the fight against intestinal parasites, a threat to human well-being. It not only helps eliminate these harmful organisms, but also relieves gastrointestinal symptoms related to discomfort and abdominal pain. The use of cloves in the form of tea offers a natural approach to improving gastrointestinal health, emphasizing the importance of natural solutions in promoting health and preventing diseases. By integrating clove tea into the diet, it's possible to effectively combat intestinal parasites, thus improving quality of life and contributing to overall well-being. 8. Relieves arthritis discomfort. Millions of people around the world suffer from arthritis, a condition that causes intense joint and muscle pain, as well as swelling and inflammation. To alleviate these symptoms, clove tea is a traditional remedy valued for its analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties. The application of a cold compress made with clove tea can offer particularly effective relief, bringing comfort to those battling the discomforts of arthritis. This method has been adopted for a long time, recognized for its efficacy in reducing both pain and the swelling associated with this debilitating condition, offering a natural and accessible way to mitigate arthritic symptoms. 7. Improves sexual performance. Clove tea has been recognized for its beneficial properties in sexual performance, especially among men, serving as a natural means to enhance male sexual health. Its consumption is associated with increased levels of testosterone and improved blood circulation, crucial elements for boosting libido, enhancing the quality of erections, and preventing premature ejaculation. In the realm of traditional medicine, both Ayurvedic and Unani, clove oil is used in the treatment of male sexual dysfunctions, highlighting eugenol, its active component, which showed efficacy in studies with diabetic rats facing erectile dysfunction. This scenario suggests that cloves not only act as a libido booster, but also offer multiple benefits for male sexual health, emerging as a promising alternative for individuals interested in improving their sexual quality of life naturally. 6. Reduces acne. Clove tea, enriched with clove oil, is celebrated for its beneficial properties in the fight against pimples and acne, marking its efficacy as a natural treatment for these skin issues. Beyond its applications in improving skin health, the essential oil of cloves stands out in the world of aromatherapy, where it is equally valued. This recognition is due to its good concentrations of clove oil, which not only promote cleaner, acne-free skin, but also offer a therapeutic experience through aromatherapy. The ability of clove essential oil to naturally treat acne highlights its versatility and efficacy, both in skincare and as a relaxing and healing element in aromatherapy, providing a dual benefit for those who choose to use it. 5. Helps treat urinary tract infections. Clove tea is recognized for its antibacterial properties, which are effective in treating and preventing urinary tract infections. Studies indicate that regular intake of this tea allows individuals to enjoy the benefits of clove oil, a key component in fighting the bacteria that cause these infections. Incorporating clove tea into the diet can, therefore, be an important auxiliary measure for those seeking natural ways to protect urinary tract health, standing out as a complementary alternative to conventional medicine for maintaining urinary health. 4. Treats skin problems. Clove tea is recognized for its exceptional properties that offer significant benefits for the skin, including the ability to treat a variety of skin issues. Enriched with volatile oils and antibacterial virtues, this tea stands out for its efficacy in cleansing the skin of harmful pollutants and assisting in the healing of cuts and wounds. The combination of these elements makes clove tea a natural and effective solution for maintaining skin health and integrity, highlighting its therapeutic value in both the prevention and treatment of adverse skin conditions. 3. Prevention of food poisoning. A recent study revealed that clove tea, especially when combined with essential oils, possesses properties capable of inhibiting the growth of dangerous bacteria, such as E. coli, Salmonella, and Listeria, often involved in food poisonings. This discovery points to the potential of clove tea as an ally in the prevention of foodborne diseases. Furthermore, a thorough analysis highlighted that clove oil, and more specifically its component eugenol, exhibits an antibacterial capacity superior to some traditional chemical preservatives used in the food industry, such as potassium sorbate and sodium benzoate. This oil not only contributes to food safety through its antibacterial and antifungal properties, but also enhances the aromaticity of foods. Therefore, clove oil presents itself as a promising alternative and safer option to chemical preservatives, offering a natural solution for food preservation and the prevention of poisonings. 2. Acts as a natural disinfectant. Clove tea stands out not only as an effective natural remedy, but takes on an innovative role by functioning as a completely natural hand sanitizer, offering a safe alternative to commercial products. This alternative use of clove tea does not bring with it the adverse effects commonly associated with hand sanitizers available on the market. The application is simple. Just cool the clove tea and apply it to the hands, rubbing them together to activate cleaning through friction. This process not only removes dirt and bacteria efficiently, but also cares for the skin in a way that most conventional sanitizers fail to. The discovery of this property of clove tea as a hand sanitizer represents a valuable innovation, providing users with a healthier and accessible option for maintaining hand hygiene without resorting to harsh chemicals, a well-kept secret that promises to transform how we think about personal hygiene in daily life. 1. Improves cardiovascular health. Through clove tea. Clove tea can play a significant role in improving cardiovascular health. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds help reduce the risk of heart diseases, lowering blood pressure, fighting inflammation, and reducing LDL cholesterol levels. Additionally, the eugenol present in cloves has been studied for its ability to improve blood circulation and prevent blood clot formation. Regularly consuming clove tea can therefore contribute to cardiovascular health, offering a natural and effective way to protect the heart and maintain a healthy circulatory system. Preparing clove tea. Preparing a delicious clove tea is a simple and quick task, requiring only a few minutes. Start the process by grinding a tablespoon of whole cloves. After grinding, combine the ground cloves with a cup of water in a pan and heat until boiling. Allow the infusion to rest for 3 to 4 minutes, strain, and let cool. For a sweet touch, a teaspoon of honey is a great option. Enjoying this tea in the morning can be particularly delightful. However, it's vital to consume it in moderation, as excess can be counterproductive to health. Clove tea, besides being a tasty beverage, brings health benefits. Be sure to share this wonderful discovery with your friends, encouraging them to try and enjoy the advantages of this unique tea. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.